Black.
Sister.
Because
Sister.
Because they say, you know, I don't know who to choose. Say, we choose pussy, and I say, we choose black. So, no, come here, what's going behind? We should let peace prevail in this house. Because choker, no answer, I'm not. I'm tired. Let things be nonchalant in this house. Please. And the moment you not here, the person will be speaking mind.
I don't understand. I don't know.
You have to understand.
Don't
just go straight to the point.
No. What don't you understand?
Oh.
Sis, please talk to me. Talk to Black. Talk to Black. I can't go and
there
sweat.
is no way person will lie. From his actions.
That means you are trying to...
I'm not siding with him.
You are it's
I'm not.
It's what you are
I'm
doing.
not siding with him, please.
Sister. Since well this our brother traveled, you know everything about me. You know how I'm going out and coming in.
I know you are working, but I don't actually do the kind of business you do.
Tell him.
I know.
And ask him again.
I know you work, but for the business, I don't know. I don't know whether you are a cocaine dealer, a truck pusher, a taxi driver. I don't know what kind of business you deal in.
Today I woke up in peace, so I don't want to be angry.
How can you say that to your sister?
I don't want to be angry, please.
No, wait.
All this house, everything.
Wait!
I'm talking and you say wait. What do you mean? Are you stupid?
Me, I'm stupid.
Oh!
No, how can you tell me that?
No.
Wait, give me my money. Where's my money?
No.
Give me my money.
Boss, please.
Sister, if not for you.
Please.
So you have grown wings to the extent if I'm talking, you are talking.
Shut up! I told you guys to settle the issue.
Such a disrespectful person.
I just told you guys to settle the issue.
Senior sister, please. My bomb bra. My yama japa dear.
Oh, bra ben wa.
Beba assassin no dear. Eh, ma me papa assassin. And I will complete so. Na se na yenda. Yes, let me remind you. Quick reminder.
Well, I know what I can do, you know. I'm a man enough, I have grown enough to do or choose whatever I want to do. So, as my brother is talking and you are believing him for this kind of rubbish and nonsense that you have been vomiting here. I don't care.
I want him.
But what I'm only care is this. To put this thing amicably or settle it okay, let him show the evidence.
Can you imagine?
Yes.
Can you imagine?
I think that would be better for this. It's because I can't condone this kind of rubbish anymore. I've been silent, trying to, do this kind of brother thing, but I see it's not happening. So let him show the evidence.
Sister, if this thing is not well resolved, you might hear or see what you don't want to hear or see.
You are stupid. In fact, you are a stupid guy. You are a stupid guy.
Go ahead.
You are a stupid guy.
Be very careful.
What would you do?
Black.
This guy is trying me.
Sis.
This guy is trying me.
Sis.
Who you Jimmy for what? Who you Jimmy for?
Me a Jimmy for. No, sis. Discipline.
What are you trying to do?
Sis, make her discipline this boy like. How can you tell me this? You have nothing. What do you have? What is it not my money used to buy this?
You're a fucking guy. Go ahead and do whatever
sis,
you wanna do.
Sis,
sis. No.
Black.
Black.
Oh, you're Jimmy for.
Yeah, who you know?
My body
I truth in this issue.
What about that man? What about them?
Never had. I don't just ask what I want to know. You're dying, maybe. As some new marker. Because Mr. Nasa says, yeah, men, Anita, I'm out.
Maybe I no crack.
What then I am,
or say, I need the no crack. On fire, wooden crack. Simple. Sister, who said, what's the buy a man for
say, some say, what you say.
What Jimmy,
go ahead and do everything you want to do.
Yes.
Period.
Go ahead and do it. I go do one.
In this country, you can't be sad in peace. Or a whole crime will be the concert of our trauma. Said some people my idea. I think. Traffic, I won't like it. Won't like him commenting. So who tried the episode be like it? Fuckings. Yeah, hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, please, this is ANITA. Speaking from. What? Please, what's wrong? Listen, I'm on my way. Hey. Too far. What is it? Why? Again, when you it's a summoner walk and said to criminal can be also out of my whole life.
But you are here supporting him. You are here supporting him. So why are you shouting on me? You are our senior sister. That's why I'm respecting you. If not,
I won't sit down and watch this ill-manly behavior of yours.
If you
go back to the police station and withdraw the case. Otherwise, you see the dark side of me.
I say I can't. I won't do that.
I'll be a very quiet person here.
I will never.
I'm like a vampire, but I don't suck blood.
Also with me.
Mother Mia.
Let him dead there. Okay, down. About 3 or 4 months.
Oh, what? Oh, so be a big case. I saw the turn down.
We can see. Yeah.
I control the streets. Me catch on my 20.
We're not doing say what Jimmy. Bet you the answer. By the time.
Hey, yeah, just a da I'm my work Nigeria. Yeah, every yes said look on Nigeria. You knew. It's okay Nigeria and Bafu and
I make money. I make money and now I'm spending it. I'm spending my money, taking my money for investment. And right now he now rising, doing like this.
Oh, no,
just I don't want to talk too much.
You think you're a grown-up, right? So you go home.
You
want to do whatever you want to do, right?
You go stay there for 1 year.
Don't forget I'm the main boss. Don't forget I'm the main boss in this house.
You are.
And when I strike,
you
know the outcome, right? Huh?
So you make you mad.
Black. We are all siblings in your families. And now, Mama and Papa, a sea dynamite. And now we seek at a crab frame. And in yet fira. Into dear ooye. We will say a question say at a chin. Nasa, what's a pussy a woo? How will you feel? Just answer this simple question for me. What will be your reaction? Will you be able to eat? Will you be able to breathe? Will you be able to sleep?
Why won't I sleep? Why won't I eat?
For sending your brother to his early grave.
Because you are here. When the guy is threatening me. Pussy is threatening me. And I'm not a small boy.
You are going home. Remember, I came before you guys came. I'm your elderly sister. If something is going wayward, I need to correct things. Although I don't complain about your behavior, I don't talk about your behavior. But at times, you need to be strengthened. Fine. He's accusing you. But remember, he's your brother. He's your blood. Let's settle this matter here. Just go and withdraw the case and let's settle this matter.
I can never do that.
Why?
I won't.
Is it so hard for you to do that?
I won't do that.
Why? Is there any reason for that?
If to withdraw the case you are here, I'm not ready. I mean, I'm not ready.
Black, be careful because the earth is fiery.
I'm not gonna do that.
And those we meet at the beginning point, remember, we definitely meet them at the ending point. It's like a golden rule. Do unto others as you want others to do unto you. You may be happy today, but I don't know tomorrow.
I know. Okay. If that be the case, you are my senior sister.